Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome. Thanks for watching Value-Based FM Video Blog. My name is Steven and I'm the author of Value-Based FM book. This is the 11th installment for this year's theme for FM performance management and improvement. And today I'm going to address some of the concerns by many asking Steven, how do I then get started to work on performance improvement? Alright, so this blog I will share with you to get started, right? Let's not be overwhelmed with too many potential things that you can do, but let's get started with just a few. That's why I named this as the performance improvement star. This star, there's 5 points. So remember, these 5 key points may help you to get started in improving your FM performance. First, all right, is productivity. It's about how you get your work done correctly and at a faster pace to complete your work effectively and efficiently. Number 2, quality. How can you be better than before? All right, remember, simply just challenge yourself. How can you be better at your service deliverable than before? All right, you need not to be too aggressive to plan for a big gap in the change or improvement. Right, over the years, you can begin to improve year upon year before, for the year before, just a slight improvement, and eventually you'll get there. We need to be patient, right? Safety, health, and security, this is where it makes the workplace how the people, whether it's visitors or the staff, to feel safe and comfortable. This is where people working at the premise, right, during their working hours, it's just like a second home. How do they feel going to a place, whereby they feel the identity to the company and also to feel comfortable working there, and also enabling them to carry out their work effectively and productively. Innovation simply will means doing something different than what you're currently doing, right? You can do it differently by changing the process. As the saying goes, if you continue to do what you are doing, you cannot expect a significant change, right? To experience significant change in adding value to your organization, you have to do something differently than before, right? How may you do things differently? You may want to look into the process. How may you alter the process so that the work can be done more efficiently or effectively? Or you may want to include software, Internet of Things, AI, or even machine learning, depending on your organization. How may those new implementation or strategy of your work that can add value to your organization? And last but not least, right, today is very much different from before. Mainly, people tend to be emotional, right? Than subjective about a certain work being carried out. And as FM is a very service-oriented kind of function, then whatever FM services that we deliver, whether it's through supply of air conditioning or by services like in the front desk, right? Be mindful. How will people perceive or receptive to the services being delivered by FM, whether during normal routine services or responding to a corrective maintenance work, right? So remember, how may you, on top of the technical aspect, the engineering aspect of the services delivered in operating and maintaining the facilities, how may you elevate the increase the pleasant experience of your user? All right, these are the 5 key points. Of course, there can be many other points, but to get started, you don't have to be good in so many things. Okay, but to be good, you need to start somewhere. So remember this performance improvement start. Okay, for those of you who are watching this for the first time, this year's theme is about FM performance management and improvement, and you may want to watch the previous blog that I shared throughout, or you just want to randomly watch. If you want to be kept informed of any new blog that's being updated, then I invite you to subscribe and to sign up for the alert for any new blog that is being uploaded. Alright, so I will see you in the final installment, the blog 12, next month, first Wednesday. Alright, see you.